tell what this girl had so much fun. Yeah, I had fun. I had so much fun. It was, yeah, you guys gonna see the clips of that, like, obviously. Yeah, I feel blessed. I feel great. Like, I love this era of my, you know, yeah, I love this era of my life. I mean, church girl. No, let's just live it. Anyway, yeah, I just came here to update you guys that I just came back from church. I feel very good. I feel blessed. But then you know what a bummer is? Do you know what the bummer is? There's load shedding. It's load shedding.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know.
I am finally moving out, guys. I think I'll do a story time. Like, I'm gonna do story time. I'm not good with sit down videos. Like, I just don't like sit down videos, but I'll try to do story time. Why am I moving out? Why I don't have a roommate anymore. Did I tell you guys that I don't have a roommate? I think I didn't tell you, but yeah, apparently I don't have it. I no longer have a roommate. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a story time. I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm moving out and what happened to my roommate. She's fine, she's well, she's healthy, but something happened. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna catch up. I'm gonna tell you guys everything when I get to my next accommodations. For now, let's just sit back and move out. Not me. Yo, look at my hands. Ew, bro. Anyway, I'm late for class and I'm putting on sunscreen because ooh, guys, and I'm so late. Oh, my hands. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, and I'm late. I'll see you guys after. I feel like it's not properly blended in. Anyway, I think I'll look fine. Why are my hands so ashy? Potato. Okay, let me quickly put on my hand. I shouldn't go. All done. Let's go. I'm not gonna take you guys with me to campus. I mean, like, it's late and my battery's about to die. I'm still trying to lock the door. Hey, Amo. So I finally moved out of my place. I know I look crusty. It's still in the morning, so guys, you don't want to see this, please. Look at this. Like, yeah. Anyway, I'm finally out, and the lighting here is good. Yeah. What is that? Okay, anyway. Oh my gosh, I love the lighting in this room. Yeah. I'm not gonna show you the whole unpacking process because yeah, let me settle in, and I have a closet one. Bye.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. I know I haven't been vlogging for the past few days. Anyway, today is Monday. It is the 17th of April. Yeah. I have a test today. I have a test today, like literally in a few minutes. So I'm just waiting for my transport. I don't know how to feel, and let's just not talk about it. Anyway, yeah. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day, and then go. My transport is here. Anyway, I'm wearing this pants, this top, 8 foot, and this is me. Yeah, I'm late. Anyway, wish me luck. Bye. I just came back from writing the test. Actually, I came back a few minutes ago. The test went great, but yeah, I wrote well. Let's just stop there. I wrote well, and yeah. So right now I want to go to the mall because it's just here. I want to go to the mall, buy a few things because I need toiletries. I'm running out of toiletries. But then for now I want to go buy toiletries because I don't have sunscreen. Did I tell you guys what it does? Sunscreen, it's not working for me. It's not working for me. Like, being telling my pimples because of the sunscreen. I'm not. Yeah, as I was saying, I don't have anything against the sunscreen. And what works for other people won't work for you. So yeah, so I'm gonna go buy my sunscreen. I'll see you guys right now when I get back. But I'm still looking for someone to go with me. And I need to learn to go alone. I just got back from the shops. My lips are dry. I'm so tired. I am so tired. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a quick haul and then make something to eat. I hope this angle works because yeah. Okay, from again start with the things I was looking for. Cakes. I bought Acre's cream. 2 oral ones. There were actually one special. So that's a styling gel. I guess. And here, so that's it from Clicks. Okay, Shoprite. I bought bread. I literally bought snacks only from ShopRite. These are my favorite. These two. Jelly beans. Yeah, that's basically everything. So I'm gonna pack them and then eat. So it actually feels good to do things by yourself. Like it feels like, yeah, okay, like it's giving Miss Independent and stuff. But anyway, yeah, guys, I enjoyed this little trip of mine to the mall. Like this time around, I didn't go with anyone. I just went by myself, and it feels great. Okay, it feels great. Yeah. So, and I actually realized, like, I just realized now, I never really like sat down and explained why I moved out of my previous accommodation. You know, so I'm gonna do that now. So one of the main reasons why I actually moved out of my previous accommodation is because they didn't have transport, guys, and I had to like walk to school each and every day, which was so tiring and it was draining. Imagine going to school like literally every day and then you have to walk like this a long distance. Well, it's not really a long distance, but then it was getting very, very, very draining. Like, you guys, it was so draining. So I had to make a plan. Because I was so tired of that. Another thing, they didn't have a backup. Maui load shedding, it's a load shedding for us as well. So that's one of the things that pissed me off. So I had to make a plan, and then yeah, I asked around if like there's other accommodations, and then I actually found this one, which is pretty good. And I love it. Like, I love this place, guys. I really love this place. And it's a sharing, but then I don't have a roommate yet, and hopefully I don't for the rest of the year. Yeah, and I didn't take you guys for a tour, but it's okay. I'll like when I've like spring cleaned and stuff, I'm gonna take you guys on a tour and show you guys around here. It's quite a really it's a cute place, and it's so clean, guys. I love clean places. I love clean places. So okay, this is just like a little snippet of like the room. It's so cute. But anyway, yeah, that was one of the reasons why I moved out. And the roommate story, I'm gonna make a story time. Like, we gotta talk. Okay, because I need to tell you guys. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do a story time about like what happened between my roommate and I. It's a very guys. One of the reasons why I don't like sharing, but this is our team. It's my choice. But anyway, yeah, let me pack those things inside. Let me pack my things, and then I want to eat. I want to make food because the last time I ate was in the morning, and then I went to write a test, and yeah, so I want to make something to eat, and then yeah. Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys or I told you guys, but let me tell you. I'm gonna tell you again. Remember the sunscreen? I told you guys about that. Remember the sunscreen I ordered on Takealot? Yeah. Oh, yeah, the sunscreen. Yeah, guys, this is basically like a review. It didn't work for me. Okay, here I look okay, but guys, this thing gave me pimples. I used it for like 2 weeks. It was 2 weeks or what? But I used it for 2 weeks, and I started like getting pimples and stuff. You see, there's still left, like there are still some pimples on my face. There's still pimples on my face. Literally didn't work at all. Okay, the first few days it was working, and I felt that glow. I felt really good. Hi mabuya guys. Yabona face yaka change. I was like, damn, what's going on? This thing is supposed to be enhancing, is it enhancing? But it's supposed to be doing the things, but it didn't do anything. Instead, it made me look worse. So I started getting pimples. I was like, oh, maybe they'll go away because they're still, yeah, guys. Okay, and then I kept on using it. That's when I realized, oh no, this is a problem. Like, this is something I'm not supposed to use on my face. I was so disappointed. I mean, like, I love how it moisturizes your face. Like, it doesn't leave a residue or anything. Like, it just moisturizes your face perfectly. So, but it's fine. The one I normally apply is the Sun Protect from Checks. It works well. I'm gonna like put it here, guys. I recommend it for you.